This is the Rugged Band from Spigen. I really like this band. It looks good, it fits well, it's highly adjustable, and the clasp is low profile. Though it is metal, I haven't had many issues with this one. As you can see, the band itself still looks really new, and I've used this band off and on for probably over the last 6 months or so since I bought it. But it's a good looking band. It's inexpensive. It has kind of looks like a carbon fiber type of inlay right here. I think that's not real, but it has the nice look to it and really simple Spigen branding right there. But overall, a nice watch band that fits and feels good. Definitely looks really good with the black Apple Watch Ultra. So I have to say, Spigen, we've got a couple of other watch bands that we're going to be looking at from Spigen. They've always made good products that have held up really well. So as you can see, as far as how it looks off of the wrist here, nice looking, more traditional style watch band, but this is going to be highly breathable and also just really easy to clean. It's a good looking band overall from Spigen. This is the Light Fit Ultra from Spigen. It's very comfortable. One's kind of single loop band that is adjustable, but it's kind of a pain to adjust. So first, let's just talk about the comfort. It's very stretchy and is very comfortable to wear. I love the hit of orange there, but the rest of the band just being black matches the black Apple Watch Ultra really nicely. And then we have kind of it's not a clasp, but it is where you adjust the watch band, and you can loosen it pretty easily from here, but it's a little bit trickier to tighten it. So it is one complete loop all the way around, and you tighten it just simply by pulling and adjusting it there. The challenge here is that, you have to slide this off completely. There's no way to loosen it. I guess you could loosen it like that and then slide it off, but then you have to readjust it and remember where your adjustment was. And once you have the watch band on, it's a little bit trickier to adjust it. But overall, it is a really comfortable watch band, and it's not that big of a deal as far as adjusting it. Probably, just complaining a little bit. I probably wouldn't choose it because I am constantly adjusting my watch band throughout the day, depending on, whether I'm in a workout or after that, making some adjustments to it. And I feel like I would be fine tuning my adjustment quite often with this watch band. I do like it, but I prefer a more adjustable watch band.